Hi friends and welcome to Victor's Reality. Today I have the unboxing and my review on the Razer Kishi Universal Gaming Controller for Android. The Apple one is coming soon, so be on the lookout for that version. Right off the bat I can tell you it works perfect with the Galaxy S10 Plus and it works with a super tight fit on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is the Android version with a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Many say it doesn't work with the Ultra. I'm here to confirm that it does. Though it is a tight fit, it works perfectly with my Galaxy S10 Plus and my Galaxy S20 Ultra. So the first thing you should do is download the Kishi app. As you can see, this is the Kishi app. And you can play games that are specifically tailored and work perfectly for the Kishi. These are just a couple of games. As you can see, everything works great with this Kishi device. As you can see, the menu works. Tap on the Kishi app, and with the Kishi app you can control it with the touch or with the button control, and everything works perfect here. Now here at the back of the box it shows it has an ultra low latency gameplay for smooth control, and in my usage I have not felt any latency or any kind of bugs or anything like that. Everything just works as it should. And also to note, right here is the charging port. As you can see, it's a USB Type-C. That's what you connect here, and you can connect it here while you're playing your games. You can charge it while you play, so that's pretty cool. As you can see with the Google Stadia, it works perfect. Everything registers properly, correctly. Just connect it, select it, and play it. No problems whatsoever. It also works perfect with the Xbox Project xCloud. As you can see, just again, same thing. Connect it, select it, and start playing and enjoy your mobile gaming on the go. Now as you can see, this is an S20 Ultra and it is a tight fit, super tight, but it works. It actually has less wobble. As you can see, with the S10 Plus there's more wobble, and with the S20 Ultra, as you can see, there's way less wobble. While it doesn't fit 100% into the slot, it does fit enough so it could grip, and as you can see, very little wobble. And I believe the wobble, as you can see right here, look it. You see that wobble? The reason why that exists on both sides is because Razer decided to use right here this rubber kind of elasticy to give it some movement, to give it some feel so you can move it. You don't want it to, break your phone, scratch your phone. So that is why I believe the little bit of wobble that there is here. But as you can see, you hold it like a normal controller. There should be no issues whatsoever. As you can see, the thumbsticks are very good. They click. Very good material, nice and grippy. Has a little bit of grip. It's not glossy or anything. That's a plus for me. The D-pad works great. A lot of reviewers are reporting that the D-pad is it's meh. But I like it. Nice and snappy. Gives me no problems whatsoever. Grand Theft Auto Vice City felt good on it. Just like the analog with the D-pad. This is great. It's not a cheap D-pad. Very good quality D-pad. And I can show you right here, there is no click to the buttons. But they all feel good. There is no mushy feeling. It does feel just like a regular standard button. And here is the other thumbstick. Clickable also. Works perfect. These two little holes here are so the sound can come out and you can hear it. It's kind of amplified with it. It's like a little chamber and it pops out, so that's cool. And these are the function buttons. And you could use these in-game to pause or go back. And this is also, it goes into the main menu, or it goes to the home menu of your phone. And here are the triggers. Triggers feel good. Here, listen to this. Normal button presses, sounds. They are nice and springy. No problems whatsoever. You'll find that these buttons do the job, especially for a mobile controller device. And when you close the controller, these little parts right here, they hook on into the plastic to give it a nice tight closed seal. And as you can see, this is the back of it. Right in here, as you can see where the phone is coming out, and then there's this little corner. That's the only issue where it doesn't go quite in. So the USB controller, the USB port is connected inside. So it works perfect, guys. So this is my unboxing and review of the Razer Kishi Universal Gaming Controller for Android. To me, this is the best mobile controller I have used in a very long time. It's not going to replace an Xbox One wireless controller if you have that adapter where you can, put your phone onto it, just because to me that feels a lot better. But if you love Razer and you wanted something where you can put your hands on the left and right, this is a perfect device. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on a future video. See you guys next time.